tail light on a 2017 Nissan Titan XD. I just got her in December and I already broke a tail light. All right, got a cracked tail light. Basically, I had my two trash cans sitting here. It fell over and I tried to, it was two trash cans back to back, and so I tried to squeeze that one through the two and it cracked this light. So now I'm getting ready to replace it. Went over to the Nissan dealer, picked me up a new one, and walk you through. Pretty much I'm just gonna, already loosened up these screws. I'm gonna take this off. Lose that. And this kind of just I'm gonna look at the new one, see how it's made. Got it here. Nice. Looks like we got a full unit swap. Comes with the harness and everything. It's pretty. Looks like the same thing. Trying to see where. Okay, it looks like these two clips, I guess they're press-in clips. So I guess pretty much all I would have to do is pull this to me and it should pop out. Oh, there it is. It was a little bit of a press, but I got it. That's these two little guys right here. I guess they go inside there and there. So far so good. Now I gotta get this harness off. All right, now that it's out, I'm gonna pop that out. Looks like I'm gonna have to go put that there. Oh, that goes all. And right, what do you know? Right down here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera off of this one. I guess that's the same thing I got here. So I guess this clip just kind of breaks out of that hole, or I can kind of slide it out of there. All right, we're going under. All right. Where was I? There it is. Knock that off because the new one comes with the plug already. So now I just gotta squeeze this. There we go. Just kind of squeezed in this part here and then just pulled and came loose. Now the next part is I gotta rip this guy out. There's a lot of dust going in my mouth. Kind of just I would hate to do this in the cold weather on the side of a highway, that's for sure. I'm gonna go down and get it. Alright, I got it. Shit. Alright, that was a bit tight. But I did it. And now, here we go. Here's the old guy. It's a shame. Truck wasn't even 30 days old and I broke that. So, at least now I know to be extra cautious around these things. Okay, take the new stuff. I'm gonna kind of feed it through there. I don't want to break that because I broke the other one. So I'm gonna take this off. Go. So you gotta put it like this. And we're in. Feed that guy in like that. See there? I don't know if you could see it. See? You're gonna go into that thing right there. So very gentle press. No need to press hard. Taking it out is the hard pull, but it goes in pretty easily. And then pretty much get my screws. And that's it. You just kind of tighten them up. And you're done. I gotta go underneath and make the connections and zip tie my stuff, and you need to see all of that. You can kind of carry it. Got the bolts all tightened up. You don't want to go too hard. You just want a gentle snug. You're just going to run it up snug and then give a quarter turn because you could snap these bolts off. Don't put too much pressure. It's just to hold it in. It's cosmetic. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully, let's see how long that lasts. So far, so good. Okay, so little advice. Don't plug this in until you get, there's some little, was in tiny little pinholes they clip into, one there, one over here, and I had to feel with my finger until I found it, and I've got it snapped in. And this I'm gonna go down and around, get it in, doing all this with one hand. Boom, clicks, and then in that tiny hole right there. That's good. We're in. I don't like how this is, so I might zip tie this like up here somewhere. I don't know yet. I'll see. I gotta take it to get an undercoat.